Welcome once again, everybody, to another GQ TV movie. I just want to thank everybody that's been donating to the Cash App so far. We really and truly appreciate it. Believe me, we really do. You know, thanks to all my loyal viewers and subscribers and my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all so much, man. Thanks for everybody who've been leaving a comment, in the comment section. Don't forget to always share up the movie, like the movie, you know, and just leave a nice comment. You know what I'm saying? And even if you got a bad comment, you can do it without being derogatory. We out here working, putting in the work for y'all, man, and just know that we really appreciate the fans. That's why we do this for the fans, day in and day out. You know what I'm saying? You already know the movies that's going across the screen, is the movies that we've done so far. And if you haven't seen any one of those, you can always go back to the channel on GQTV and check out the movie. They're always on there. So once again, thanks again for rocking with us. Showing your support. We really and truly appreciate it. And this is a brand new one for y'all. It's called Farrin, man. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the movie. And like always, from me and my team, we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Yeah, Paul. Nah, bro, I'm not gonna be able to make it. I told you I'm going to Jamaica tomorrow. I just won't have time, bro. I mean, bro, I gotta get to the barber and all that. No, I'm out tomorrow, Paul. See, this is why, man. So what about, did you talk to Mary? I'll send her an email. but I can't. Man, why you always talking about me go to Jamaica, man? What? Hey, listen, you got your family here, all right? Leave me, let me do my thing, bro. Hey, man, listen, you don't worry about me. I'll fill up this place. When I fill up this place, it's good for me, bro. Wifey good? All right, that's good. Hey, ain't nothing for the time, right? Nah, I can't. I'm out. My flight is early. What you talking about? I didn't meet nobody. Hey, man, I'm just going to have a good time. I'll get my family when I get my family. Man, you sound like my mom. By the way, how them kids doing? They good? You don't worry about that, man. In time. Hey, I'll fill up this house in time, bro. I'm good. Hey, I'm alone. I'm not lonely. Like I said, I'm going for some peace and quiet, bro. I'm not looking for nobody. If it happened, it happened. All right. I'm going to talk to you when I get back. Yeah, no problem.
So yes, a system. I take care. I'm mommy down here, cause them I do you right.
The one me call cousin yesterday and she said she a eat or something.
You sure?
Yeah. You be sure you can manage to go see her right now?
Of course,
You
me can't be
sure?
here all of that sis, but me just want to know so them a deal with mommy right, you know.
Alright, come we go see what going there.
Mommy.
Mommy? Mom?
Evening, mommy. How you feel? What doctor them a say? Your mommy, talk to me. Mommy, talk to me now. Mommy.
I feel so good.
Your son and daughter there. Where doctor them a say? Them a treat you good, mommy?
Then I have kidney problem.
Mommy, them a treat you good here.
The doctor said I have kidney problem.
Kidney problem.
I have to do some surgery. I need some medication.
Why you listen to me and say? I know why you're there here and I stress out yourself about all of this. You know what you go through, you know, easy. But see your son and your daughter sit down right here so right now with you. So I go try our best to make sure so we can help you. See what amount of money we can gather up. So just be here with the moment. Please, beg you. We go do it best.
I'm feeling a lot of pain.
Yeah, I know, mom.
Oh God,
We
help
check
me.
up on you. We are going to do it best.
Please help me, my son. Help me, my son. Oh God, my daughter there. Oh, help me, but please don't put yourself in no trouble.
No, mom. We're not going to do
Oh
none of
God,
that. Okay.
help me. Oh, help me.
Sis. Me a minute, then, man. Where you gone? Give me a talk to you. You there in this and we there in there with mommy. Where you
Cannot
go?
do this. Mommy has suffer.
Listen, I understand how you feel. I saw me feel too, but if you show me a man, so me understand how to bear. But you see what me did I talk about, look on me I talk to you. So me did I talk about earlier, sis. We have to go deal with that the plan there. We don't know other choice. We have to look about that.
Then me just don't know if me not have a mindset to do them do something.
But we go do sis. I only option. And you just walk out for mommy like that. You can't do that.
Then me can't do this. Dan, what happened to you?
Sis, really and truly, me I tell you, say, a mommy situation stress me. Cause right now, I don't even know what we are going to do.
It's alright. Remember the other thing we talked about the other day?
Yeah. What you say going? What happened now?
I feel like I want to for mommy. For mommy.
Sis, God no?
For mommy, not
Watch you, man. Sis, I'm Farrin, me gonna now.
Stop it,
You
man.
finally make up your mind, sis. Wait, sis, you say we are touch down on the girl side. And you go up on the beach, you get on there man there.
You don't know, yeah, man, but I just have to do it for mommy. For mommy, you know. Not you, you know. Or me, you know.
Sis,
Mommy.
I go to Farrin and take care of her.
Not... Enough, I find me want the money to make mommy get the
Yeah,
kidney.
and I'll send me a Farrin. I'm get a work over there. I'm send money for your mommy.
Now make this be boy.
Me like how you look about it. Me love that. Me love that. Me say me the day, you know, sister, me there sad, you know. And friend you tell me that it just light up a whole of my moment.
So how this not work out now?
And the girl where you go? We
And
go
then
stay
what?
on the grill.
And then what?
You know, go up on the beach and see if you find a whole heap of man down there. Whole heap of man come down from foreign. You just go up on the beach. And then we see and like you. If you have to just roll with them, I say. You can't play no stupid game. You must feel money you go look, you know. And you don't really know money you go look. You look them money for me go a foreign.
Me can't believe me make you influence me for do this.
What kind of foolishness? See, mommy over there sick. Mommy want to take care of. The best idea that I could have come up with.
Alright then, just
I'm glad they make you finally make up your mind and do that, sis.
alright, me could do this.
A foreign me for there, you know?
Come, me could
They
do
on the
this.
plane, you know, sis. I send you one synapse, you know. I think I go nothing normal. We don't go alright, sis. I don't want to know worry on yourself, man. Yeah, I whole heap of things we go have phone, man.
You know, but anyways.
Bother with that, sis. I'll go see what mommy are doing.
What up, Stu?
What's the dilly, my G?
You know, you already know.
Yeah, for sure, man. Good to see you.
No problem, my
No
brother.
doubt, no diggity.
Thing good?
I can't complain. What's up with you?
You know, ain't nothing.
What's up?
Just here cooling up. You know what I mean?
No doubt.
Appreciate you coming by. Yeah, Steve. So,
Yeah,
you know what
man.
I'm saying? I got
Yeah.
this for you, my brother.
Definitely, bro.
You know,
Yeah.
for real, man. I'm saying,
Yeah.
though, I appreciate you coming by. You know what I mean?
No doubt, man. You know,
Yo.
we be chopping it up for a long time, bro.
You always looking out for me.
For sure, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking off tomorrow, man. You know what I mean? Just,
Taking off tomorrow again, huh? You got your wings, man.
what that mean again, man?
Come on, bro. Damn.
Again?
Damn, man. You need to get a family and settle down, my man.
It's like that, huh?
You got this huge house, man. You got everything you need, bro.
Man, you sound like Paul earlier. You was trying to tell me the same thing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Nah, it is what it is, though,
My
man.
mom been stressing me about that too.
Yeah?
See, I need some kid to fill up the house. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. This is a huge house. You by yourself, my man. You got to have somebody to hand this thing down to, man. Who you going to give it to? Me?
Taking my time.
For sure.
Maybe I'm waiting for the right one, if there's such a thing.
Yeah, I doubt it, but I hear you. Yeah, man.
Man, listen. Ain't nothing done before the time, my brother.
True.
So I'm just taking my time
True.
and see how it pan out.
I hear you,
I ain't
man.
rushing. I'm alone, but I'm not lonely. You feel me?
I hear you, man. I hear you.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's true. I hear you, man. So, how you getting to the airport? You taking an Uber?
Yeah.
Okay.
Taking an Uber. Cause I'm leaving on early. I'm gonna be in JA like at 11, you know?
Oh, that's
I
what's
like
up.
to get there early,
Yeah,
you know?
That's what's
Relax
up.
and
That's what's
everything, you know?
up. No doubt. Man.
Well, like I said, man, just, you know what I mean? If you could drive by, give an eye out for me, you know?
I do
Appreciate
that, man. If you had a son, I wouldn't have to do that for you. But I'll do it for you. I'm only kidding with
There
you,
we
man.
go, man.
You know, man, that's what's up, though, bro. I wish I could take a vacation like you, bro.
Yeah, I feel you. How's your fam, though? Everybody good?
Everybody all right, man. You know, they ain't got to do the work. I put in the work, so they be all right. You feel me?
Yeah, for real.
Put in the work,
for real.
man. Yeah, that's what's up. Mm-hmm.
Well, you know, as soon as I get back,
Hit
I'm
me
gonna holler
up.
at you, though.
Holla at me, man.
Yeah,
You
for
already
real.
know. For real, though, bro. Yeah.
No doubt, still.
Yeah, man. For real, man. Yeah, I can't complain, my brother. You know what I'm saying? What's this?
It's, what's this? Sprite and that,
Tastes good.
that Jamaican joint.
Oh, okay.
Got it from Maria. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
She said she was gonna come through later.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up.
I doubt it though, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it's whatever.
That's how
I'm
it
out
is.
tomorrow anyways.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man.
man.
Appreciate you coming by though, brother.
No doubt, man. You said you're rolling out tomorrow. I said, let me get over here.
Yeah.
Give you a holler before you break out of here. You know what I mean?
Ain't no doubt.
For sure, man.
Yeah, bro, so, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Definitely, bro. It's all good, man.
Like I said,
It's good
man.
seeing you, my man.
Yeah, for real.
No doubt. Safe travel on the gravel.
Yeah, I'll be back in a couple of weeks though.
For sure.
I mean, you know me.
Turn on the light.
What I do. Appreciate it coming, my brother.
No doubt.
You know
All right.
Yeah, no doubt, man. I'm gonna hit you up,
All
fam.
right, man. I'll catch you on the rebound.
All right, no doubt.
All right.
Hey, Maria. Are you gonna come through? No, I'm leaving tomorrow. Okay. I'll see you when I get back. Hey, Maria. What's up? Oh, no, I really thought you were gonna come through last night. See me when I get back? How do you know I'm gonna make it back? I mean, I am taking a plane going to another country. Anything can happen, you know? Oh, no. I'm not trying to be pessimistic. I'm just saying. Okay. Hey, Maria, let me ask you something, right? Do you think I hold, like, sinister thoughts and stuff like that? I don't know. Like, every time you make plans to see me, like, you always back out. I don't know. I'm just saying, you know? Sorry if I come on too strong or. Oh, no, it's nothing. Hey, hold on a minute, okay? My mom is calling me. Matter of fact, let me call you back when I get to the airport. When I board the flight. Is that all right? Yeah, definitely. Okay, cool. I mean, you should have been coming with me, but all right, cool. I don't even want to talk to her.
You don't want to talk to your mom?
No, she just want to ask me about kids and the whole nine. You know that long jive.
Yeah. So, you don't want to have any kids?
Oh, I do. I guess I'm just waiting for the right person, I guess.
Yeah. I know how that goes.
Yeah.
So, you headed to Jamaica, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Heading down there.
Every time I drop people at the airport and they're telling me they're going to Jamaica, it's always three things. It's either they go in for the food, they go in for business, or they go in for pleasure. What are you going for?
I guess I'm on a mission. I would say.
A mission, huh?
Yep.
Okay. I hear you.
Always listen now. Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery.
Now when I get too excited, you know, remember some moment we had this for.
Yeah, me know about you. Tell me if I get excited and you look nervous. Me no want you worry, sis. Me I tell us that everything go good. We are go a niggle and we are go be with self and you are go just do the right way you are go do. Oh, and go a Farrin, you know.
That's all you keep on us saying.
No, me just have to make you remember. And it a benefit you and mommy out of it too. Because me have to take care of mommy.
Anything you say.
So me no want you fret yourself.
Alright.
To talk to loud few people they ain't your business.
Just say if you stop in nice, we already agree this. There's no backing out.
Alright.
Henry. How you doing? Yes, man, I'm in Jamaica. Hey, you know Jamaica's my place. You always saying that. Having a kid is something I definitely dream about. Yeah, I'm just down here handling some business, you know? Meeting someone. Yeah. But I just want to tell you I'll be back in a couple of weeks. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, just take care. Yeah, man, everything is all right. I'm enjoying the sun. I'll be down in Negril in a couple of days. I was visiting someone in the inner city, you know? All right, yeah, see you when I get back. Okay, cool.
Well, go on, charge it.
How you doing, my brother?
You know, Farrin come from door.
That's what they say, my brother. I don't look at it like that, but you know, if you want to call coming from the US that.
Yeah, man, I could have hear your accident from way out, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So I enjoy the country.
Man, I love it here, man. You know, I'm
Yeah?
here very often.
Yeah.
It's a little getaway for me.
So regular you come here.
Yeah. Yeah.
That means something of you coming back all the time then, man.
Yeah, something like that, you know.
Like what, sir?
Kind of on a mission though this time, you know.
Mission?
Yeah.
Come kind of over here, you say, on the phone, will still you say I would link up with one shorty still, isn't me?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm kind of on a mission, you know.
I don't really fast, I'm fasting, I'm busy still, you know, but...
I feel you, my brother. I feel you.
You say I love them girls and them thing there.
Yeah, you know me, man. This is my place, you know. Place away from home. You know?
Yeah, man, I say, go, man, I feel me hard to, man.
Okay.
I go overseas still, but so I think set, you know, one of them there.
Hey, my brother, you ever think about death, though? You ever really, think about death? What do you think happened after death? Like, death is so inevitable, man. You know? And nobody knows what happened after death. What do you think happened? I know it's kind of random, my brother, but, you know?
I life my day pan still in my family.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, because I can't speak about something about me don't know about.
Yeah, that's the mystery.
Yeah, so we have to just keep being positive on light, you see me, and when full time come, it come, but we have to keep it on the light, you see me, no matter straight to the dark part, my sada.
So you ever thinking about, offing yourself to, you know, see what the other world look like? It's just a random thought, man. I know it's kind of crazy.
But... Father, you ready for go home, man? This son here, Jamaica son here, it'll take a toll point. Watch you know?
Nah.
Big up yourself.
All right.
Yeah, man, be positive, man.
You take care,
yeah,
my brother.
Man, be positive, my general.
Got you.
So mad, man, this. Death? Kill yourself? How this, man?
Oi, wagwan.
Girl,
What happen?
when you say you come and again again?
Tomorrow me I come down, you know. Me I'll pack my things them already long time.
Oh, alright, I remember saying me expecting you, but me have to meet you in a girl town, so you have to call me when you reach.
Yeah, man, as soon as me reach down, me call you. I make you know when me reach.
You know for the Airbnb there?
No, but you can send me address.
Oh, okay. Were you excited or what?
Yeah, girl, me excited and how long me I wait for opportunity like this year. Me just can't wait.
Alright, girl. Just remember to call me.
Yeah,
Hope
man.
everything work out though.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Excuse me. I saw you from all the way up there. I'm Steve. And you are?
Colleen.
Colleen. I saw you from all the way over there. And I'm saying to myself, now why would a beautiful girl like you be walking on the beach all by yourself?
Maybe I just like walk alone.
Oh, really? I tell you, Colleen, if you were my girl, you would never walk alone. I'm talking about ever, you know?
You just eat sugar or something while your mouth so sweet.
Nah, I'm being for real.
So why are you here by yourself?
Just here on vacation.
Oh, you're
No.
on vacation.
Yeah.
Oh,
What about you?
nothing really. I just feel bored and I feel like I just want to take a walk on the beach.
I hear you. I feel you. It is a beautiful beach,
Indeed.
you know? I tell you what, though, Colleen. How you feel about joining me for like a dinner or a drink or something? You know? And maybe tomorrow morning you won't even have to act by yourself. Sounds good?
Doesn't seem like a bad idea. Why not?
All right. We can start with your phone number
Okay then.
because I'm right up there at Airbnb.
Okay, why not?
All right. Just put your number in here and we'll be good to go.
You know my name already.
All right.
So have a nice day, I guess.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, bye.
I'll call you.
Make sure.
All right.
Brother. Wow.
Back home.
Yeah, I'm come back.
What's the day? Like you buck somebody, man.
You can't wait to talk to you. Jesus
At that
Christ.
moment you go to beach you do, you know, because I want to go to Farrin, you know.
But anyways, yes, we meet somebody.
You get money.
Easy now?
Sis, listen, more you understand this. Remember, say, what we come and nigga find, I feel you try get a man so me can go or something. But I feel like, say, a waste time you come down here for doing it.
You didn't even ask me if the man nice. You didn't even ask me if he ugly or not. You just have about money.
Well, I don't want to know if he
Just
ugly.
tell him to give me money and me just meet him. Not even 15 minutes ago.
Me only want to know if my treat is nice. Alright, what go on? Wait, what happened down there?
Me just the play because he never look like no foreign man. You know, he never look like no tourist or nothing. So like when he talk to me and he mouth so sweet, I say yes, me bingo.
So you get your number?
Yeah, me give him my number and him say want to bring me for one date. So you know, things going for sure, but it a go move slow.
Oh, you speed up a little and chopping food.
You know, see that me a talk to him for nothing else. So what you worry about?
Just I tell you. Come in a one, you go fall in love in a room, go get too comfortable.
Anything go on, but me know some money gon' come in.
Like what you do still, but keep on doing it and you go up on the road.
Alright. But you talk to mommy?
Well, I talk to her, you know, but you know, some mommy I gonna need money, you know. I mean, I have that now, you know, so.
Yeah, me know she gonna need money. That's why me I sort out that thing for her. Everything alright?
I just go on in and go ring him man bird and make him know what time is it.
Alright. So Steve, tell me what's your story?
Oh, my story, as in, what would you really like to know?
I mean everything. Why not?
Oh, well, I'm in Jamaica here. Just working on some business, you know?
What type of business?
Oh, well, let me tell you a little bit about what I do. You ever see a wind farm? You know what a wind farm is?
Guess I have an idea. I'm not sure if that's
Yeah,
what you're
you
talking
know, be
about.
passing by on the street and you see these big propellers and they're like spinning.
That's owned by someone?
Yeah, it's a wind farm. So here's what I do now. My job, since I got I went to school for a degree in engineering, but this is what I do. Now, these wind farms, those propellers, every now and then, you know, they gotta get greased up. And and that's what I do, man. I grease up those propellers, get those wind farm propellers going. you know?
That sounds lonely and bored. Really?
It can get really lonely, but I kind of like that though, because number one, I ain't got to talk to nobody. I ain't got to see nobody. You know what I mean? No bosses over me. So I kind of like that job. So to sum it all up, I grease up the propellers on the wind farm. It's a boring job, but somebody's got to do it.
So it pays a lot?
Oh, yeah, for sure, for sure. Make a decent living. I do all right.
So, no kids? What's up?
No, not yet. I do want them, though. That's the one thing I want is kids. You know, and my mother keep telling me that she want that little grandchild. You know,
So you have a girlfriend?
a girlfriend. No, see, that's where with my job and everything, I can't, cause I'm all over the place. You know, these wind farm propellers. I go everywhere. New York, Boston, Chicago, UK. Sometimes everywhere. You know, it's kind of hard for me to like settle down and have a family.
So me go falling then since as you never have time.
Oh, that's the least. Don't worry about it. I mean, I'm always here. You know, always there every time I'm here like 3, 4, 5 times a year. You know, you don't have to worry about that.
That's so nice.
If all goes well, you know, you could join me over there too.
That's
Shortly.
not so bad.
I'm trying to tell you.
So how long you planning on staying?
I'm here for a couple of weeks. You know, I usually come, soak up some of the sun. And you know, Jamaica is nice and I love it here.
Yeah, indeed, it's nice.
Yeah, really.
Nice.
So anyway, enough about me, Colleen. What's your story? Like, how's your parents and everything? You from this area?
Well, my story is not no true story, you know. It's just a one story. Because my parents, well, I don't know my father, but my mother, she's around. She's kind of sick, you know. She's ill.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I just stay with my brother in Negril right here. Not really come from Negril, we're from St. Thomas.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that about your mother.
Yeah. Yeah, we're trying to get her some money to bring her to the doctor to get a surgery done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got
So
a brother.
it's really a struggle because, you know, I'm not working at the moment, neither my brother. So, you know, it's kind of a fight we're going through for real.
Hey, Colleen, don't worry about it. You know, I could take care of that for you.
For real?
Oh, for sure, for sure.
That's so nice of you, though.
No problem. I got you.
Okay.
You know,
Nice.
I'll just give me a little time, and I promise you, I'll take care of that for you.
Okay, I'll give you some time to do what you have to do.
Definitely. I promise you, I got you. Okay?
Okay.
You want to have a drink?
Why not? Okay, then.
Let's do it.
What's up?
Where you come from?
I'm bridging them go link, sis. But you know my thing already, sis. Me always in the street, I hustle, you know. So, what go on there on the foreign man? Why am I dealing? You talk to him, where you go?
No, you don't go that, man.
So, what go on making a year? No tell me, say I drop a link already.
No, I'm gonna look for him and him weird.
What you mean, weird?
Him energy just off.
Man, I hear energy off in a sis. But I the complain business, you know. So, what you tell me, say? You not go back?
Me never say me not go back.
You see it, are you weird, you know? So, what go on then?
Me just a tell you say the man energy weird.
So
I mean, I
talk to you-
rethink everything.
He talk to you about money?
Yeah, him say man give me my money.
When? Today?
Me no know anytime he give me a dump him.
We have a pushy. Remember say this is all about for me go a foreign, you know, so me no know you not move right, you know.
All about you? So what about me and mommy?
Sis, you see, anytime I get the bus there, I go to New York. It was not great, you know. What do you have to think about? I mean, I send down money and make sure so you're okay.
You're just selfish because I me I put in all of the
I'm
work.
for selfish, sis. I'm not going to go over there and figure out about you. Just do your thing, man. And New York, man, go, you know. You're grown there now.
Me not know tomorrow.
See, I tell you, say, yeah, move weird. Yo, I'm going in a second. I don't like how you're moving, sis.
Hey, Steel. What's going on, my brother? Yeah, I got it okay. I'm alright. You know what I'm saying? When you get this message, you know what I'm saying? You could holler back. You feel me? Yeah, I'm just down here, man, doing what I gotta do. Man, listen, Steel. Some of these chicks are so gullible. Can you imagine I told this chick that I be greasing up wind farm propellers? And Shorty actually bought that. Can you believe that? Man, that's crazy. But yo, I had this weird dream last night though, man. You know what I'm saying? I dreamed I was walking through this field, but everything was white. Like it was all white, my brother. You know what I'm saying? All around me was just white. You know what I'm saying? But it was just a dream. But you know what I'm saying? I'm alright though, you know? So just holler back at me when you get this message. Alright? I'm down here in Jamaica, man. Alright, later.
So Steve, how much kids you say you want again?
Oh, me, I want a whole bunch of kids. Like a whole bunch.
A whole bunch of kids?
Yeah. I love kids, man. That's the one thing that never happened for me, you know? And I need that. I feel like my life is missing that. You know what I'm saying, Colleen?
So why you feel like one bunch of kids is a good thing?
Because one kid is nothing, right? Imagine one kid died.
Why would you ever thinking about your kid dying?
Oh, not really, but you know, death. Death is the inevitable, you know? That's the thing, Colleen. We all gotta go. Everything around you, everybody you see around you, at some point, they all gotta go. Death is so certain, man. But that's the thing about death. Death is just inevitable. We all gotta go at some point. So I'm thinking if I got a bunch of kids, just say one go, two go, or even three go, I'll still have something to fall back on. You know what I mean?
I don't understand why all death come in all of this. Like, you're so obsessed with death. Why you even think your kids them are go dead?
Oh, not really, but hey, you either be obsessed with it or obsessed with it not. Death is inevitable. It's the only thing that really guaranteed. Some people say taxes, but think about all the people that are not paying taxes. But death is so certain. It's like it has to happen. Everybody you see around you, everybody out there, every country, at some
But
point.
who gonna get up every day and think say them are go dead today? Nobody not think about it. People just want to know so them get up and them have breath and everything and them alright, you know. Even when them broke.
I feel you. You could think about it or think about it not. It's happening. You never think about that, Colleen?
Hell nah. Why would I ever think about that?
Not even what happened after?
No, I'm not even scared of it. Me not.
Yeah.
Why you make this seems like me not like the conversation. Me not like where to go. You seems very obsessed with death and it's going to a different direction. So let's talk about something else.
Oh, I feel it. Hey, I'm gonna have that money for you too, for your mom, in a couple of days. All right?
Oh, that's nice.
So
I'm glad you're working on it.
definitely working on it. Let me use the bathroom a minute, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Mm-hmm.
Don't go nowhere, Colleen.
No, I'll be right here. No, stay in this. Leave now, look. No, stay in this. That's weird.
Colleen? Hey, Colleen. I was just wondering what happened. And I'll see you in a couple of days, okay? Don't forget. All right, cool.
Sis, see me here. Sis,
Wow.
where I say the money bag now?
I'm not in a mood right now.
You know, bricks are going, they not like things work out.
What kind of bricks you talk about? I'm not go back to the money there, you know. I'm done with him. Everything is squashed. I forget about everything.
No, say some man.
That's what me
Sis,
say.
what you mean by that, sis? What make you now go back up there?
The man weird, you know here.
So you tell me say you just walk out, so?
Yes, but tell me I gotta use the bathroom and I just left. He not even know some me left. Me go in the man room and pay debt him a talk about.
Sis, you know say, you ever mash up everything though, sis? It's like you don't want to see me strive as your brother. You don't want to see me go foreign.
happy for you happy.
You don't want to see me go foreign and make mommy nice. You don't want you nice also.
It's all about you every day, all day.
But this opportunity I fulfill for you.
Make
What
him
are we?
miss me, me no care.
What you mean make him miss you?
Opportunity come once in a lifetime, but this is one you gonna miss me.
Are you weird, brother? Can't man weird? Are you weird? You just walk out, so you don't even know if a man just want to test and see a loyalty so you can
Well,
get
me
big money.
feel.
I think I money bag this you come with. I joke here, me see
No money in the bag, want to you.
Sir, think I money bag this you come
No
with.
money in
A liar tell me sis, man. Let me see in your bag, man. The money in your bag for sure.
Search it, because you're dead. Search it.
Yo, me know say that I go blow a chance and you do one little opportunity we get. And you can't tell me about a man weird. A man want to go far and go live stakes life.
Well, me cannot go look at a white man and leave me alone, eh?
So now you have the opportunity with the foreign man.
Dan, me no want hear nothing from you. Just leave me alone. Every day, all about you. It can never be about me. Stacey, what you say? No, Dan piss me off, man.
Hey, Colleen. I'm back at the house, alright? So just come through. I'll be waiting for you. Yeah, I got that money for you too. For your mom, okay? I'll see you in a little bit.
Hey, Colleen. What's up? Yeah. Me reach at the Airbnb, you know. Yeah, man. All right.
Hello. Oh no. You don't gotta be scared. You could stay. I hate to startle you.
It's like me get the wrong.
Oh no.
Like a
You
downstairs.
don't have to worry about it. You could just hold on for a few minutes. I got you.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. Just take a load off. You don't gotta. It's cool. I'm Steve. And you are?
Stacey.
Stacey, I promise I won't hurt you. Just sit down for a minute. I'll talk to you. You said you got the apartment downstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, just relax a little bit. Hey, I'm not an axe murderer or anything. I swear to you. I just, So where you coming from? Stacey?
Kingston.
Kingston?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm all the way from the U.S.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get going now. Nice to meet you.
Listen, I told you.
Sir.
I'm not gonna hurt you. Just relax a little bit. I promise you.
How are this far?
I'm just gonna tell you. If you relax a little bit, give me a minute. Let me explain what's going on.
God. With this me get myself in a Lord Jesus.
I just feel like I need to talk to someone. Because where I'm going in a couple days, it's not gonna be pretty.
Jesus.
Hey.
God.
Hey.
How about this me get me? Please, just make one. Please.
I said sit down, Stacey. You ain't going nowhere.
Please.
You judging me?
Hey, God.
Why are you getting all this chemical for?
Just make one, no, please.
I told you ain't going nowhere. You just give me a minute.
Sir, just make me one, no, please.
Hey, listen. I want to talk about your friend Kathy.
Who?
Kathy. Kathy, yeah, you know who.
Oh, Catty. Oh.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. I'm the Steve. Kathy.
Oh, are you Steve?
Yeah, I'm Steve.
Oh, well, I was a send her the heap of money.
That's me.
Oh, so what is have to do with me now?
I know. I did so much for Kathy. I sent her so much money. Build that house. You know what I'm talking about. And she did that to me. Now, I know she gave you some of the money. And you went on this lavish trip. You and your friend Colleen. Yeah, it's coming back to you now. Now let me
Sir.
tell you. All this was by design. That trip, all fake. The audition, the trip. Ain't none of that.
So you're telling me, sir, no audition?
No, that was
So,
all designed by
what
me.
is have to do with me?
Because I know Kathy gave you money.
Sir,
Even sent you on a lavish trip with you and your friend Colleen.
sir, please. Me never know. This you know what Catty, sir, me no know you. Just make me go on, please.
No, that ain't gonna
Please.
happen. You know what you gonna do for me? After all of that I did for Kathy, I can't find her. Now why did Kathy do that to me?
Sir, me no know me no have Catty mind, sir.
Oh yeah? She never tell you telling me she never tell you nothing?
No.
Don't lie to me.
No, me just see money and me I take your money because I'm a friend.
How much money should she give me?
No remember to be exact.
But you took your friend on a lavish weekend trip. Oh yeah. You think I didn't know about it? You think people don't talk? No, you're gonna call her and she's gonna come here and I'm gonna kill her and you. You can't do that to people. You know how much things I did for her?
But me not do nothing to you, sir.
Yeah. You took money from her. It was you and her. Yeah, you probably planned this whole thing with her.
No.
Don't lie to me.
Please.
If you lie to me again, I just want you to call her now.
Please, sir.
Just call her, Stacey.
Please.
Because when she get here, she's gonna be dead. Just like you and your friend Colleen, who's supposed to be back in a couple days. Is it ringing?
It's not ring, sir.
Call her back.
Not ring.
Why is it not ringing?
Me no know.
You trying to play me?
No, see they not ring. Straight voicemail.
Call her back.
Straight voicemail.
Check voicemail. You know, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna give her a minute, and then you're gonna call her back. So how did you think she got that house? And I know it's big because I heard about it.
You know say you're not in a things, but me never know so she a trick you.
Oh, really? I'm supposed to believe that?
Yes. Me never know, honestly.
I swear to God, Stacey, if you're lying to me.
No.
Damn. I did so much for Kathy, man. She said she was gonna even have my baby. And she did that to me. But that's what most of y'all Jamaican girls do, right? Get the Farrin man, and then you play them. And don't look at me like that, because you know I'm telling the truth. Say it ain't so. You do that too?
No.
No, you have a Farrin man?
No.
Really? One thing I needed, she said she was gonna have my baby, man. I was in love with her.
But she did have one baby for you, you know?
She did?
Yes.
Damn, she never told me that. You sure about this?
Yes.
That break my heart right about now. One thing I wanted was a baby. You know what? I'm gonna kill her and take my baby.
Yeah, and left me.
I'll get to you later. But first I gotta call my mom and tell her this good news.
Yeah.
Now you don't go nowhere. I want you to stay right there.
Yeah.
Call my mom. Oh, don't go nowhere. I swear to God. Now the door is locked, so don't even think about it. Stay right there.
Shit! Shit!
That made me feel good.
Yeah.
My mom is proud of me.
Yeah.
All I wanted was to give her a grandkid.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, did you call her?
Still voicemail.
I'll call her again, man.
You can sit down and it's a boy, you know?
It was a boy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill you. Oh, stab me.
Fist. What happened to you? You look so sad.
Stacey for coming to town and I know from yesterday I not hear from her nothing.
So you know no link for her, like no family number or nothing.
Me I try get to her sister, her mother, nobody now answer. Me not get nobody.
Upon this, I see. You see this?
Jesus Christ, me
What
tell you.
happened?
Look
What
for
happened?
this are the same man. Where me tell you say weird. This could have been me, you know? Let me see this. No, let me see this. No, let me look on this.
That I see a man where you say you're growing in yard and you have to walk out.
Yes, I him. Me I tell you about we are talking about death and kidnapping and all kind of something. Thank you, Father God.
Sis, right now I'm speechless. I can't believe I see a man that when me encourage you to get money from him do that. You know, say everything are my fault.
You see? Because anybody want to listen to me, you know?
I'm really sorry about everything. And I may put her through all of this. Although I know you, but if I did you, I didn't even know how I feel about this. You know, say I pressure you to do all of this something and look now. We can't say it happened to somebody else. I feel like so we have to go to cut off all of this. So we are do. What do you think about that,
Yeah,
sis?
because it not work out. It not work. Either would take long to find somebody or somebody will find. Then just weird. A sign this, you know? It's a sign.
And you know what? You know a great thing about it? I'm glad the day when you step out. Because I'm glad you didn't stay and nothing never happened. Boy, I don't know how I'm the manager all of
I
this.
just wish I did listen to me. But, well, it turned out on me. That's all
We
I
live
can
and we
say.
learn. That good. Sorry about that here.
Alright. Yeah, we just have to just cut out this foreign man thing.
And you have to cut out that, you know?
Well, I guess it cut out.
Just want moment for alright still. But
Sure, alright. We can't find other ways.
I'll clean up the meeting, I say here.
Alright. Me there with here, so.
I said, girl, I shouldn't know. I almost lose my life.
And me I say, me a call you, I'm not get you, and me I say, Dan, come show me this something on the news. Me say, God Almighty. And you know, say, the same weird man me meet on the beach. I'm saying, him told the man energy off, come like, say, God, I show me one sign.
Girl, I shouldn't know. Say, me glad how me there right yes right now.
I'm glad you're alright because I said the man,
Hey.
meet him and my spirit just not take him.
Me no know where this a say you come from, you know.
I say me meet the man and my spirit not take him. And me I tell Dan so I now go back in my yard. Because me need to go check him back in the next few days, you know.
Hey, and me head me have to use span me, you know, and tell him say Katy have one son for him, you know. Me say when the man hear about his son, he come like I said the world turn round. We have to say we have to find a way to come out of this. And me go get the knife and stab him and run out as fast as me could.
Girl, my God, alright. Dan show me on the phone. Me see everything in the cleaner.
This man is psycho.
He might go like say we do him, what Katy do him. When no go find Katy alone we?
I hit me and say the man a talk about how he will kill me and Katy. Me say kill Katy please, me not do you nothing.
Oh girl, I'm glad you're alright. That's all.
Actually, you know, no. Me just glad how me alright. Right now, me I make sure say me go in the next couple days, cause this too hot for me stay right here. So
Girl, me gonna stay with you tonight, though. You
yeah,
alright with that?
cause me traumatized. Me can't stay by myself. Actually, you don't know when me got you. Me never know say me there got be alive right now, you know.
Everything go alright. Remember, I said the police them lock him up and something. Say, ain't no way I'm coming back. Everything gonna be alright, girl. Katy just need to know what she had do from now.
Well,